Well, my name's Doug Hardy. I work for Starfire Systems. We are the world leader in pre-ceramic polymer technology, and my interest is in commercializing polycarbosilane products into industrial and aerospace applications. I think this has been a very valuable workshop because it brings together some of the leading participants, leading researchers in this field, and it was a real opportunity for cross-pollination about the various projects that they're working on. So I think it's been a really good workshop. Well, I think in the short to medium term, aerospace is really going to lead the way. The companies that are doing re-entry vehicles and the other companies that are doing jet engine turbine applications, I think those are the applications that are really going to drive this market in the short to medium term. But in the long term, as we heard in this workshop the last couple of days, there's a whole host of applications outside of aerospace that are poised for some real commercial success.